Hey guys, welcome back. It's Ron. I got you another video. Before we get started, make sure you hit that like and subscribe and that notification button to get all the updates, all the videos I put out. Now, guys, this comes from Florida. It happened a couple weeks ago where there was a gentleman that was fleeing from police and decided to take his truck on a little boating excursion with a big fail. So let's go ahead and take a look at it.
Bay, roll me EMS and fire.
Now, you know it's not always a good idea to run from the police. I just always love it where they turn on their turn signals when they're running from the police. There he goes. There's a ramp. You can see the officer running out. This is another angle of it.
He's probably 50 feet from the boat ramp in the water upside down. I'm about to have to strip down and try to go in.
Officer goes back to his vehicle. Get another different angle. Swimming out to rescue the guy. There's another sheriff deputy.
Okay.
No one else in the truck?
Okay.
No one else in the truck with you?
Does anything else hurt? Sir, there, relax. Okay. Okay, do you realize you just rigged your truck upside down in the water? Okay, that's what we're at right now.
Sir.
That's why I need you to just lay here and relax, okay?
Anyway, guys, make sure you like and subscribe, hit that notification button for all the updates. And I really appreciate everything that you guys do, the watching the videos, and I'm going to be putting out more. I've actually requested the full video of this, and once it goes through the process, I'll be able to put the full version of it up. Thank you guys very much again, and have a good day.